Creativity, Part 1, Defining our terms. What is this thing we call creativity? Well, we know, first of all, it is a type of thinking and it's related to ideas. The cognitive definition of creativity would be a type of thinking that enables people to generate ideas, to invent new ideas, or to improve old ideas, or recombine existing ideas in a novel fashion. A transpersonal definition of creativity would be an encounter of the interestedly conscious human being with his or her world. Consciousness means awareness. It would be inner and outer worlds, an encounter with these types of worlds. Behaviorally, a behavioral definition of creativity, looking just at behaviors, the ability to produce work that is novel, high in quality, and appropriate to a culture, definition, problem, society, etc., etc. So, creativity is a type of problem solving, an ability to regularly solve problems or create products that are valued regularly. This problem solving, by the way, is very much to many of the definitions of intelligence. Creativity is highly dependent on knowledge, must have knowledge or acquire knowledge in order to manipulate this knowledge. You must have something to organize. So creativity is highly dependent on a highly developed, well-organized knowledge base. I cannot be creative in things I do not know anything about. Creativity often is deviating from the norm. So you need to know the norm of any field before you can deviate from it. Picasso, he knew the norm. He was a wonderful artist at reproducing things. He had to master this norm before he could deviate from it. As a teacher, you need to master the domain first, the knowledge and skills, before you can really start being creative. And end part 1, starting to define this thing called creativity.